Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to change your profile picture on Mastodon. So let's get started. First we're going to start off by going to our profile. That's going to be done by clicking on the icon in our bottom right corner. So it takes us to our profile. Next we're going to click on edit info. And now we're going to click on our profile picture. So as you can see, now you have the options to open your photo library or your camera roll or to take a photo in real time. For this example, we're going to use a picture from our camera roll. I'm going to go there, and now we're going to select the picture that we want to set as our profile picture. For example, this one, the white one. Select. You can center it up, down. You can even zoom in or zoom out. When you're done, we're just gonna click on done on the bottom here. And then we're gonna click on done again to save the changes. And that's how it's done. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye.